What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And I'm with my sister. Yes. So this video is gonna be a ukulele tutorial since the last time that I uploaded a ukulele tutorial was about 2 weeks ago. So yes, I'm back, guys. And a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a ukulele tutorial of You Are My Sunshine by Moira Dela Torre, and it is the official soundtrack of Meet Me in St. Gallen, I don't know how to pronounce it well. So anyway, without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play You Are My Sunshine by Moira Dela Torre. So for this tutorial, I'll be using a capo and I'll be clipping it on the 2nd fret of my uke because the original song was played on the 2nd fret. And yes, guys. Ayan, kaipit na siya. And then, for this song, we only have 3 chords. And these are the most basic chords that you must learn in the uke. So this is a very perfect song for those beginners out there. And yeah. So the first chord is C. So you just have to put your index finger here in the first string in the 3rd fret. So that is C. And then for our second chord, which is F, you just have to put your index finger here and your middle finger here in the last string in the 2nd fret. So that is F. And then for the last and third and last chord, which is G, you just have to put your index finger here, your middle finger here, and your 4th finger here. So it's like an inverted triangle in the 2nd and in the 3rd fret of your uke. And then for the strumming pattern, this is the most basic strumming patterns that you guys should know, and it is down, down, up, down, up. So in strumming your ukulele, you just have to use your index and your thumbnail. So this is your index finger and you have your nail here. So for the down strums, strumming your ukulele, you have to use your index nail. So you have to do it like this. Okay? And then for the up strokes in strumming your uke, you have to use your thumbnail. Okay, so down and up, down and up. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. So since the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, so you have to do it like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so we have to try singing the first verse and the first chorus while using the strumming pattern. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear. Okay guys, so kailangan ko talaga mag-take 2. Ang ingay ng aso. Okay, so again, we have to try singing the verse 1 and the first chorus of the song while using the first strumming pattern. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So that is for this strumming pattern. And yeah, so for the second, thing that I'll be teaching you guys is the plucking pattern. If you haven't seen me sing that song, please check it out. Ayan, lalabas yung card somewhere up there, so you have to click that one out if you want to hear me sing this song. And alright. So, yung sa cover ko, I used a plucking kind of style there. And then, for the plucking pattern, it is basically 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. So, again, this is your 4th string. This is your 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. So, always remember that the 1st string is the one that is facing the ground. And the 4th string, or the last string of your uke, and that is the one basically facing your face. Okay? So, this is 4, this is 1. Of course, you have to position your fingers here according to the chords of the song. And since the first chord of the song is C, so of course you have to put your index finger here in the last string, in the first string, in the 3rd fret. So we have to try the plucking pattern. So 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2 is using your index thumb. I know, your thumb. Okay? Alright guys, so it is basically just like this. You have to put your index finger. No! Again, why am I saying index finger? I'm using a thumb. Oh my god. So this is your thumb. And then you have to pluck each string except the first string. Okay, so 4, 3, and 2, you have to use your thumb. And then for the first string, which is the one string, first string, you have to use your index finger. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And ching. Okay? And then after that one, it is 4, 2, 4. So 4, 2, and 4. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. Okay? The other night, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed and then you have to switch chord. So you have to move your fingers from C to F. I dreamed I held you. Same plucking pattern. In my arms. Go back to C. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So that is basically for the plucking pattern. So yes guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial na to. And if you want more tutorials like this, just click the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, let me know your thoughts about this video. Just drop it down in the comment box below. And if you have questions regarding this tutorial, just drop it down also in the comment section below. So I'll see you guys in my next videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.